Howdy there, partners. Today we're going to take a closer look at this powerful 6000 VU fiber laser cutter, equipped with a BOCI brand cutter head that can slice through 6mm stainless steel like a hot knife through butter. Now before we dive into the cutting process, let's talk safety first. Always wear your protective gear, including goggles, gloves, and a sturdy apron, to shield yourself from any potential laser hazards. Make sure the cutting area is well ventilated to avoid inhaling any fumes or gases. And remember, never stare directly into the laser beam, even if it's tempting to watch that fiery dance of light. Now, with safety out of the way, let's fire up this laser beast. We'll start by setting the cutting parameters. For 6mm stainless steel, we'll set the laser power to 1600 doi. Focus the laser to 0.7mm and adjust the cutting speed to 80mm/s. For the cutting gas, we'll use air to blow away any molten material and keep the cut nice and clean. Once the parameters are set, we'll firmly secure the stainless steel sheet on the cutting table. Make sure it's flat and wrinkle-free to ensure a precise cut. Then it's time to activate the cutting sequence. Just hit the start button, and the machine will automatically move the laser head to the starting position. Watch in awe as the BOCI cutter head dances across the stainless steel sheet, leaving a trail of perfectly cut edges in its wake. The laser beam vaporizes the material, creating a smooth, clean cut that's free of burrs or slag. Once the cutting process is complete, the machine will automatically stop, and you can carefully remove the cut stainless steel sheet. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. That's the power of a 6000 VU fiber laser in your hands. Remember, safety first, always use the right parameters, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating precise, high-quality cuts with this powerful laser machine.